Today I'm going to show you how to do a swing 180 round for the Upraiz Tricking curriculum. Let's check it out. I'm Anthony and welcome to Upraiz channel. It's all about helping you build a solid foundation for your tricking so that you can excel at the sport. If you're not sure how to do a swing 180 round, hopefully this video can help. And before continuing this video, I recommend that you have your cheat 180 round. If you do not, you can click right there for that tutorial. So when you start this move, you're going to be starting in a backside stance, looking forward at your target. You're going to bring your swing leg up and jump off your other foot. Start to turn your body and throw your round kick. Then finish the move in a frontside stance. Now don't forget to work on these with a follow through at the end. You can also do a spin into this move to gather more momentum. And you can also combine those two and do a spin and follow through together to get a bunch of momentum for this trick. And I do recommend it you get used to those because we are going to be using all of them later on in combinations. Now let's go ahead and break this move down into progressions. First progression is going to be a swing round. So just bringing that leg up and throwing your round kick, basically just a regular round kick, starting in a frontside stance. And the second progression is going to be a swing 0 round. Same thing, but you're actually going to be jumping up in the air and throwing your round kick. Now all we're doing, instead of starting in a frontside stance, we're going to turn around to a backside stance and you're going to do your swing 0 round, but add a 180-degree rotation when you do it. Some quick tips: make sure that you're pushing through the balls of your feet when you jump, and make sure when you're landing that you're landing on the balls of your feet. And as always, try your best to spot your target when you throw your kick. Let's check those out one more time. So that's it for today's video. I just want to say thank you to all the patrons that are supporting this channel. It means a lot to me to have a group of you guys that just support me as much as you do. Here at Upraiz, I'm all about helping you build a solid foundation for your tricking so you can excel at the sport. Next, we'll be getting into a pop 180 hook, and it'd be awesome to have you with us. Stay motivated, keep growing, Upraiz. Upraiz. Upraiz gang.